Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the iPhone XR against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have the A12 Bionic going up against the Kirin 980, 3GB of RAM versus 6GB. Now with that being said, let's get started. Up first is the iPhone XR. It has a Retina HD LCD display. It's on the latest version of iOS 12. It has the newest A12 Bionic CPU and in-house Apple GPU and 3GB of RAM. Then we have the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It has a Quad HD AMOLED screen. It's also on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the new Kirin 980 CPU with the Mali G76 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Mate 20 Pro wins by 3 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2, the Mate 20 Pro wins by 1 point. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Mate 20 Pro won by 3 points. In round 2, the Mate 20 Pro won again, but this time by 1 point. As for the price difference, it is about £150, and the Mate 20 Pro has a lot to offer. Just to mention some of them, it has a massive battery, expandable storage, super fast charging, and reverse wireless charging. So what did you think of this video? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you have that bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.